In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an awakening outfit in Jujutsu Shenanigans PC, mobile, iPad, Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase the awakening outfit game pass, how to set it up, and use it inside of Jujutsu Shenanigans. This is going to work for any platform. So first of all, open the shop, go over to Game Pass, and in here you will be able to purchase the awakening outfits game pass for 100 Robux. You need to purchase this. You will not be able to use an awakening outfit if you don't have this game pass for Jujutsu Shenanigans. After you purchase this, the second thing that you have to do is going to be to set up the outfit itself. Now, what I recommend is that you go over to the Roblox website at roblox.com. You need to access the avatar editor. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go over to the avatar editor, hover over characters, and then creations. This is where you will be able to create new characters, outfits that are saved, and these are going to be used for the Awakening 4. So you can name this whatever you wish. I already have one named Awakening, so I'm just going to make Awakening 2. So now you can go ahead and change your accessories and your clothes and equip the specific outfit that you want to use. So I'm going to put this visor on, this Lunar New Year rabbit, and so on. Essentially, you just have to put all of the items that are going to appear on your character when you awaken. Now you can click on the settings icon and update the creation. So if I press F5 to reload the page, the thumbnail should change. Now, once you have these creations ready, good to go, you will be able to go back inside of Jujutsu Shenanigans or any other experience that has the awakening outfits, go over to the settings, scroll down, and right above performance, you will be able to find awakening outfits. Sadly, my character doesn't have it because I don't have the game pass at the moment, but if you do, you will be able to select it here and choose the awakening outfit that you have made. Immediately upon selecting the awakening outfit, your clothes are going to change when you awaken. So you will see the new character set that you equipped, and you will be able to change between all of them. It is simple to do, and it is going to work with all of the characters available for you to play as. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Awakening Outfit in Jujutsu Shenanigans PC, mobile, iPad, Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.